Hi friends, welcome to V Creations Technologies. In this video, I will show you how to install Python in Windows. Step 1. Open the official Python website in your web browser. Navigate to the Downloads tab for Windows. Choose the latest Python 3 release. In our example, we choose the latest Python 3.8.2 version. Click on the link to download Windows x86 executable installer if you are using a 32-bit installer. In case your Windows installation is a 64-bit system, then download Windows x86 64 executable installer. Step 2. Once the installer is downloaded, right-click on Installer File and select Run as Administrator. Check the Install Launcher for all users checkbox. Further, you may check the Add Python 3.8 to Path checkbox. Select Customize Installation, checking the following checkboxes: Documentation, PIC, TCL, TK and idle. Python Test Suite. Install the global launcher for backcode, backcode files. This makes it easier to start Python. Install for all users. Click Next. This takes you to advanced options available while installing Python. Here, select the Install for all users and Add Python to environment variables checkboxes. You can select the associate files with Python. Create shortcuts for installed applications and other advanced options. After selecting the advanced options, click Install to start installation. Once the installation is over, you will see a Python Setup Successful window. Step 3. Verify the Python installation. You have now successfully installed Python 3.8.2 on Windows 10. You can verify if the Python installation is successful either through the command line or through the idle app that gets installed along with the installation. Search for the command prompt and type Python. You can see that Python 3.8.2 is successfully installed. An alternate way to reach Python is to search for idle in the Start menu and clicking on idle Python 3.8 64-bit. You can start coding in Python using the integrated development environment idle. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you can get notification when we upload new videos. Thank you.